And look at that. It is officially spring, Kata.
Yes, it is. It's spring and we all have pollen-filled nostrils and lungs.
I tell you, I have been going through it the past couple of days, and I'm walking around with a washcloth, and it's not to wash my face.
Right.
And it's horrible.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, but I'm living my truth, okay? For those of you who don't know, today we are in separate studios. I'm over in kind of like the Norfolk region. Kata's up on the peninsula, so the pollen's bad there too.
Correct. My car is yellow. When I bought my car, it was black, but now somehow it's yellow.
Well, you can use this opportunity to update the wardrobe, I guess, you know?
If only.
And real quick, before we get into Can Do, I want to remind everyone it is our spring membership drive, so why not become a supporting member now? It's WHRO.org. So, the area is coming alive. Spring is here. Events are happening. Kata Plus is back, and we're starting off with one tonight in Portsmouth, correct?
Yep, the Portsmouth Art and Culture Center in Portsmouth.
And they have this very unique art show that we have to talk about. So
from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., a mesmerizing showcase of giant inflatable sculptures where art defies expectations. It's going to be an international spectacle not to be missed.
Yeah, we strive for different. Inflatable art in Portsmouth it's definitely different.
I've never seen it before. Have you, Chuck?
I have not, but this is the Cultural Arts Center in Portsmouth. And anything else we need to know about it?
It's actually called Blow Up 2 Exhibit, A Whimsical World.
Okay, Portsmouth is on the boards. So let's move up like towards the Williamsburg area. Anything outside happening?
All right, Chuck, and moving into Saturday, we got a bird walk extravaganza at New Quarter Park.
Okay.
This is for everybody who's tired of being stuck in the house all winter. You get to go outside for this one.
All right, and when's that?
This is going to be Saturday from 8 to 10 a.m. It's over in Williamsburg. Yeah, so come on out and discover the joy of bird watching in a vibrant, guided adventure.
And they say they will have binoculars for rent if you don't have any.
Right. I hope you don't have binoculars. I'm watching you guys.
Don't knock them till you try them. So heading over south side, what's going on for our people in Virginia Beach?
For the people in the south side, we got a Cherry Blossom Festival. This is going to be a burst of culture.
Oh, this is a big one. And when does this go through?
This is from this Saturday through March 30th. It's going to be at the Red Wing Park in Virginia Beach. So this is for everyone who wants to experience the breathtaking bloom of cherry trees amid a festival brimming with Japanese music, art, and exclusive activities. This is going to be a magical cultural escape.
Yeah, they have a ton of events with this one, and there's some new, I guess, details with this year's festival, so you'll want to check the Virginia Beach website.
Looks that way.
All right, and then we have one more event. I guess this one takes us back up to Williamsburg on the campus of William and Mary. What do they got? I mean, this is another big festival.
This is the Ampersand International Arts Festival, the heartbeat of creativity.
Okay, tell me more.
This is going to start March 23rd at 7 p.m., like I said, over in Williamsburg. Yeah, come on out and immerse yourself in a week of arts, from captivating performances to insightful talks, conversations, This is going to be featuring stars like Maria Bamford and David Diggs.
Okay.
And yeah, come outside. I know you're tired of being in the house.
Yeah, that Ampersand Festival, that's another one. They have like nearly 30 events, so you're gonna want to, check William and Mary's webpage for more on that one.
I don't think I've ever been.
I never have either, but from what I was hearing from folks, like if you're a filmmaker, if you want to make documentaries, low budget films, if you're an actor, an artist, I mean, there are panel discussions for literally everyone, and then they're gonna have live music performances, so that's all going down at William and Mary. The website where we keep all of the Can Do events, Kata, we're running out of time. We got to give that one.
Creatorworks.org. That's CreatorWorks.org.
All right, Kata Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network. Hey, listen, we'll see you next week and fight that pollen as best you can.
Later, people.
And until next week, we thank you for listening to and supporting public radio in our community here in Hampton Roads. It's Morning Edition.